Hi, welcome to mycutetoons. Today we're going to draw a black-backed jackal from Africa. So grab your marker and follow along with me. Let's start with the eyes. We're going to draw a nice curvy line. And on this side you're going to do exactly the same thing. We're going to draw a nice curvy line as well. There we go. And then just at the bottom, make it nice and round and follow it up to the top of the line. And on this side we're going to do the same thing. I'm going to start on this side and try to copy that side as well. Keep it closely the same. And then pupils, as we always do. We're going to draw two pupils with the light reflections. Another light reflection and a smaller light reflection. And then I'm going to draw the iris on both sides. There we go. And let's color the pupil in. Right between the eyes and just a bit below, we're going to draw the nose. So we're going to draw sort of a square shape for our jackal. We're going to make two light reflections again, and we'll color the nose in. Underneath the nose, a little mouth. There we go. And on both sides, you're just going to draw two curves going from the eye to the corners of the mouth. Now it's time for the head. I'm going to start with the jawline. So I'm just going to make a little mark there where I'm going to begin. And I'm just going to follow this jawline. I'm going to keep it close to the bottom of the eye. There. And on this side, I'm going to do exactly the same thing. And there's the little mouth. From here, I want to draw the top of the head. And we're going to draw two huge ears. And then we're going to bring this line back all the way to the side of the face. On this side I'm going to do the same thing. I'm not going to do it exactly like the other line. I'll just draw a big ear, roughly the shape of the other one. There we go. Inside of the ear, there, and on this side we're going to draw another line just to indicate the inside of the ear, and then some hair. There we go. And on this side, let's draw some hair here as well. Now we're going to draw the front legs. Draw a line down, and on this side I'm just going to draw a shorter curve. A longer curve, a shorter curve. And then from here, I'm going to draw the paws. I'm going to bring the line up. And there's one leg, chest area, and we take it to that line but not completely. And then from here I'm going to draw the other foot. There we go. And the leg, and there's the leg. Now right here below the mouth we have a little black spot. Just going to make a line like this. Now for the hind legs, I'm going to start from here and I'm just going to make a little mark there, and I'm going to draw the belly. There we go, there's our belly. Going to draw a line down, and you're going to draw another line. That's the two hind legs. You're going to draw the paw now. Oh, I'll give it 3 toes. Actually a jackal has 4 toes, but this is a cartoon, so it's not important. And there's the back. On his back there's another dark patch. Let's draw the other paw. There we go. And maybe we can just draw a hind one there. And then for the tail, we can draw the tail. A nice thick bushy tail, and on top of this tail there's another dark patch. So this is all going to be dark patches. And there we go. there's our little black back jackal. Thank you for drawing with me. Now look at my picture and match the colors, and I'm sure your black back jackal will look absolutely amazing. Please leave me a comment if you want me to draw something else. Please like and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon.